everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1971 Dodge Challenger convertible. Very rare car, guys. This is not an easy car for us to get our hands on. Very limited production. Matter of fact, Chrysler can't even tell you how many of these cars they actually built. Matching numbers, 340 car, which is also very rare. Factory Hemi orange. It's got the white vinyl interior. It's got the white convertible top. Brand new 15-inch Magnums all the way around it with the BF Goodrich Radial TAs. It's not an RT. It does have the white RT stripe. Factory sport hood. Beautiful car. Guys, runs and drives excellent. This is just a nice car, man. Car drives out good. Good, solid, straight body. You can nitpick a few little things as you walk around. You can see it's got a couple little dings in the chrome. This is not an easy car to find, guys. If you're looking for a 71 Challenger convertible, you know how tough it is for these cars to actually find these cars. It's got the sport hood. Again, factory Hemi orange. Love the color combination. This is a great car, guys. We got the sunshine. It is bitter cold, but we got the sunshine today at least. Car's out of South Carolina, so it's got a good, clean South Carolina body. Nice and straight down the sides. Brand new rubber, brand new wheels. It's an older paint job, guys. It's probably, I'm gonna say 15 years old, but it's still very nice. Again, there's a couple little touch-up marks and things like that, but very nice. And I'll tell you, this car runs and drives excellent. Just a good car. Again, it does have the matching numbers, 340 cubic inch engine, power steering, it's manual brakes. You can see it's pretty much stock underneath the hood. It's got electronic ignition, but it's got the Mopar radiator with the shroud, stock exhaust manifolds. .727 Torqueflite automatic trans. There's your fender tag. Also took a picture of it, so that'll be posted on the site. Sun's so bright the doggone camera doesn't want to focus. It's got the dual sport mirrors. Here's your door tag. Good car, man. Bucket seats, console, stock dash. It's a power top. We'll put it up here because I don't think Jay wants to drive it down the road with the top down. 81,000 original miles, stock AM radio. It's got the stock boot. It's Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got 8 3/4 323 rear end. got the factory collapsible spare with the canister. This is just a convertible book we got with it. You can see it's got the factory jack. It's all body color in the trunk like it should be. Looks like it's got all the original body panels on it. Oh, so you're just putting the boot in there. Yeah, that's a good car, man. Highly collectible car, guys. If you're looking for something that nobody's got, this car will do it. Just not a lot of these cars available. 71 is actually my favorite body style for the Challengers too. Very limited production. Car has been very well maintained. Again, we'll put that top up for you. You can see how nice the seats are. Steering wheel's in good shape. The gauges are all really nice. I'll tell you, it runs like a little baby doll, guys. This car runs and drives excellent. I'm gonna have you put that down, Jay. Go ahead, Jay. It's a little easier for Jay to pin it than me. My hands are a little chilly this morning. Love the R2 stripe, love the wheels and tires. Fuel gauge works, all your gauges are functional. Clock in there working? I don't think so. No. Go ahead and put that top up, Jay. It's got the correct material for the top as well. Glass rear window. Top's in great shape. I don't know how well you're going to see it. The sun's directly behind me. Backup lights do work. I don't know if you can see them or not. Radio?
Yeah, that's on the radio.
Lower motor?
Yep.
Lower motor does work, guys. No radio. See the doors open and shut nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page or our Instagram page. A lot of times we're posting stuff there as we buy them, guys. Or as always, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Well, that's a pretty car, man. Have a great day, guys.